Have you ever spent the night staring at the ceiling, watching the clock tick by, and draining the sound of your alarm? Or maybe you wake up feeling like you barely sleep at all, dragging yourself throughout the day. If you are tired of being tired, you are not alone. Millions struggle with terrible sleep. But what if you could finally fix it? Today, I'm breaking down the science-backed step that transformed my sleep from a nightmare into a dream. Don't click away. Your best night's sleep could start today. Diet and sleep quality. What you eat during the day, and especially in the evening, can make or break your sleep. Heavy spicy food, sugary food, or processed food close to bedtime can cause indigestion and keep you awake. Instead, focus on balanced meal with plenty fiber, healthy fats, and protein food rich in tryptophan like turkey, eggs, nuts, and seeds, which help your body produce serotonin and melatonin, which are crucial for sleep. Also, avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. That includes coffee, tea, energy drinks, and even chocolate. Caffeine can stay in your system up to 8 hours, making it harder to fall asleep. And don't forget about alcohol. While it might make you feel sleepy at the first, it actually disrupts your sleep cycle and leave you feeling groggy in the morning. Finally, stay hydrated, but try to limit fluid intake hours before going to bed to avoid waking up for bathroom trips. How to sleep better at night with probiotics. Do you know your gut health can affect your sleep? Recent research shows that probiotics, those friendly bacteria in your gut, can actually improve sleep quality. A healthy gut helps regulate neurotransmitters like serotonin, which plays a key role in sleep and mood. Try adding probiotic-rich food like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi to your diet, or consider a high-quality probiotic supplement. Improving your gut health can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up more refreshed. Let's talk about your sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest. Here is how to set it up. Keep your room dark. Use blackout curtains or a sleep mask to block out light. Even small amount of light can disrupt your melatonin production. Keep your room cool. The ideal temperature for sleep is around 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 18 degrees centigrade. A cool room helps your body lower its core temperature, which signals it's time to sleep. Keep your room quiet. Use earplug or a white noise machine to draw out distraction like traffic or noisy neighbors. Invest in a good mattress and pillows. Let's talk about more deep about sleep tips. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Read a book. Do some gentle stretching. Or take a warm shower to signal to your body it's time to wind down. Limit screen time. The blue light from phone, tablet, and TV can suppress melatonin. Turn off screen at least an hour before bed. Practice mindfulness. Meditation, deep breathing, or journaling can help calm your mind and reduce stress, making it easier to fall asleep. Try aromatherapy. Scents like lavender and chamomile can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Avoid heavy meal and late night snacks. Give your body time to digest before lying down. Natural light exposure helps regulate your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep at night. Let's talk about one of my favorite sleep supplements, magnesium glycinate. Magnesium is a mineral that helps relax your muscle and calm your nervous system. Many people are deficient without knowing. Magnesium glycinate is especially effective because it is easily absorbed and gentle on the stomach. Taking it about 30 minutes before bed can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restful sleep. Some people also found it helps with restless leg and nighttime cramps. As always, check with your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have any health condition or take medication. How to stop feeling tired in the morning. Here is what works out. Get sunlight as soon as you wake up. Natural light helps reset your body's internal clock and boost your energy. Avoid hitting snooze. It can make you feel groggy. Get up with your first alarm. Hydrate yourself. Drink a glass of water to kickstart your metabolism and hydrate after a night's sleep. Move your body. Even a few stretches or a short walk can help you shake off sleepiness and start your day right. Eat balanced breakfast. Include protein, healthy fat, complex carbohydrate to fuel your morning. Remember, good sleep isn't just about what happens at night. It's about building a healthy habit all day long. Indeed, learning never ends. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet, and if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.